Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a little video that I've done because I did a live on my Halloween launches and people was wanting to do the rose but struggling. So this video is dedicated just to doing blooming. Our base gel at Incandescent Shine works just fine as a blooming gel if you don't cure it. So I've gone straight in with my video, and basically I've done 2 coats of Eternal Light and cured them, and then I've gone on with the base gel but haven't cured it, and I'm literally picking up little bits and just starting off with a spiral. I try not to turn my tips when I'm working because I wouldn't turn my client's hand while I'm doing something like this. So I try to work it as if I would a real client. Also, little tip, when you're doing blooming gel, it's because the gel base coat is obviously wet. If you angle it down like you would for a cuticle application or anything like that, your gel is going to run. So try and get your hand nice and flat. Right, I've gone in, obviously 2 coats, Eternal Darkness. You didn't need to see me doing this. And this is me just floating a decent amount of my base over the black. So yeah, try and keep it nice and still and nice and flat. You don't want to put it on and scrape it off, so a decent amount, like you would float over art. I always like to start in the middle with a little circle, like a little spiral. And remember, this is not designed. Art is your own perspective. It is not perfect. Don't try to make it. Just simple strokes. I love the black with the white look. To me, even though I was aiming for a rose, I don't think it looks like a rose. I see a beautiful cave. Don't ask. I'm crazy. But seriously, it's I don't look at it and I'm not disappointed. I think it's beautiful. My daughter, she sees a rose. I see something else. But pick up. Whereas when you're painting, you want a nice, thin, no blobs sort of thing. When I'm doing the blossoming, I like a good bead on my brush. If you can see, when I place my bead, I've got like a nice little dewy blob, and that gives it, when you place that down and then drag it through, that's what gives you the definition and the thickness in the lines. So yeah, sometimes I will go back in and I will re-swirl. Instead of putting my brush into the colour, I will put my brush, like I've just done, directly into where I know there's just the base gel, and swirl that, and that helps add definition. You see, I can tell I've got Halloween on the brain because that to me looks like the little thing from Halloween Town. Jack Skellington's little perch thing. Come on, help me out, you know what I mean. So that's the white one cured. I've just popped the black one in. Now these are the new autumn colours, and I am just going to base coat again. I forgot to buff, so I had to stop it and buff it. And I'm floating my base coat again. And see, look, I'm getting a good amount on my brush. And then in goes one little swirl. And you can make these as big or as little or as intricate as you like. Art is your own designs. I thought instead of having one big monster sized, I'd go for a couple of little small broken up ones. And I quite liked the look. But still remembering to try and keep it nice and still and nice and flat. And ignore my massively grown out nails. Okay, I'm going to leave it there. I'll put a link to everything I've used in the description box below. If you would like to see any other little how-to videos of me using my things, or if there's something you want to see or anything like that, don't forget, like and subscribe, and just drop me a message either here or Facebook. Let me know what you want to see and how you want to see it. Okay, I'll leave you to watch now, guys. Thanks. Bye.